Hello, this is Narain single phase auto start unit model SA2. So auto start unit is a very simple device which will automatically switch on the motors as soon as the power supply is back. So this particular product is mainly used for agricultural purpose wherever there are single phase motors and the motor needs to be switched on as soon as the power supply is back. So this particular model can be used for all motors, single phase motors up to 1.5 HP only. So if your motor is higher than this rating, if it is higher than 1.5 HP, then we have a different model called model CONT. So that can be used for higher HPs. For all the lower HP motors, that is from 0.5 HP, 1 HP and 1.5. For all these three varieties, SA2 is completely suitable. And this product can be used for all the types of starters. So right now we will be demonstrating the connections for one of our Narain control starters, and if you have any queries attaching this auto start unit to already existing starter of yours, you can always reach us out in the following address. It will be letting you know about our contact details soon. So auto start unit has a ABS enclosure. So on top of that you will have two indicators. One is mains on indicator and one is the auto start on indicator. So this is the auto start on indicator and this will be the mains on indicator. So there is this power on and off switch. So if at all you want your auto start unit to function, you will need to switch on this switch. So turning this switch off will turn off the auto start unit. Okay, so that is the reason for this switch. And then when it comes to the connections, you will have 6 wires coming out of the device. The first wire will be red and yellow, the second wire will be black and 2 black wires, and the third will be 2 green wires. So these are the wires, and the connections are mentioned on the label here. So red and yellow will be for 220 volt supply, 2 black will be across on push button first element, and 2 green wires will be across on push button second element. So we will quickly have a look at the connections of this model. So in order to demonstrate connections, we are making use of Narain single phase control starter model SPRG. This is how the control starter looks like. So for all the existing control starters of yours, you will be having an on button and an off button. So on button and off button. So usually on buttons are green in color and off buttons are red in color. So since this is a single phase starter, you can see the capacitors which are present inside the starter. So it will look something like this. For all the single phase submersible pumps, there will be capacitors inside, and the on or start push button will have 2 elements. So this is the on push button, which is green in color, just behind. So this is the on button. So the connectors can be found behind that. So there will be 4 connectors for every on push button of the single phase starter. So the reason for having 4 connectors are the two, we call these as elements. So there will be 2 elements. So there will be 2 connectors per element. So this is one element and this is the second element. So the first element is green in color in the start push button we have used. So it can be of any colors, but there will definitely be 2 elements. So these 2 are the terminals for first elements, and these 2 are the terminals for the second element. Okay. So when it comes to the auto start unit, the connections should be made like this. So the red and yellow wire should be given to the incoming 220 volts power supply. So for the starter, you will be having incoming power supply, which is going here, incoming to 20 volts power supply to one connector, and the motor cables will be given to these connector terminals here. So wherever the input for the starter is given, you can tap in 2 extra wires, or this red and yellow wires from the auto start unit can be connected to the same terminals. So this will give the input supply to the auto start unit. Then we are left with 2 black wires and 2 green wires. So these are the other 2 wires which are left. So the wire should be connected in parallel to the start push button. So meaning, we can just have a look at the start push button. There are 2 elements as I mentioned. So those 2 wires, so 2 green wires are going into one of the elements and 2 black wires are going into the other element. It doesn't matter even if the wires get interchanged, meaning when these 2 black wires are going to these connectors and these 2 green wires coming to the opposite terminals, it doesn't matter. But the only thing that has to be taken care is every color wire should go to the same element. So green color wire, both the green color wire should be given to the same element, and both the black color wire should be given to the other element. Okay? But these 2 should be the same element. So pretty simple connections of the auto start unit. So once this is made, we will quickly have a look. So an overview of the operation would be like this. As soon as the power supply is back, you will see the mains on light glowing, and the auto start unit will start processing the starting operation. The auto start unit will wait for a non-delay of 10 seconds, after which the motor is switched on. So right now we are placing the auto start in the on position, and we are powering up the device. So there is no power supply right now, so we will power up the device. So as soon as the device is powered up, you can see the mains on light glowing, and then there is a delay of 10 seconds which will start the motor in 10 seconds time. So the motor turned on through auto start unit, right? So the auto start on time will be 3 seconds, so that is when the start capacitors also engaged. They will be only for 3 seconds time, after which the capacitors will be disengaged. Okay, this is the logic of this. So we will quickly have a look at the same operation again. I am turning off the power supply. The motor is turned on. So as soon as the power supply is back, we will see how the motor switches on. The power supply is given back. You can see the mains on light, and the countdown will start for 10 seconds. Post that, the motor switches on automatically. You can see the start capacitor engaging here for 3 seconds, and the start capacitor is disengaged. So this is the operating principle of the single phase auto start unit model SA2. So I hope the video was clear. Any queries, you can always reach us out on 9972243774. I repeat, our contact number is 9972243774. And you can also browse our website for further information about our different products. You can also purchase the same product on our website as well. Our website address is www.narayanelectrics.in. Thank you for watching this video.